Hey loves, it's Dima again and I'm back with another interesting video. Today we are going to be making a super hydrating and moisturizing hair mask. You definitely should give this a try. This mask is great for all hair types, both relaxed and natural. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't joined our family. Also turn the bell icon on to be notified on our next family meeting. Please stay tuned and I'll be right back. Welcome back. So our first ingredient for this mask is avocado. Most ripe avocado look brown, and please don't worry if yours don't look like this. Some look green on the outside, but the pulp inside is ripe. This simply explains the different avocado species that we have. Most of us know that avocados are healthy for the inside of our bodies, but what about the outside? Good news, an avocado hair mask can do wonders for your hair. Avocado is a great source of biotin, and adding this B-complex vitamin into your hair routine will help hair to grow more healthily. Many people suffer from dry, weak hair. Avocado is like a superhero for dry hair. It helps moisturize your hair. They are full of vitamin A, D, E, and vitamin B6. High in proteins, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, copper, and iron. I went ahead and cut that open, removed the seed, and used my spoon to scoop out the pulp into the bowl and ready for the next ingredient. I've shared the benefits of avocado for hair countless times on this channel, and for that I won't be talking so much on the benefits. Our next ingredient is aloe vera. I'll be using a sizable leaf like so. This aloe leaf has already been washed and it's free of impurities and germs. I will cut off the ends and spikes as usual, peel off the greenish parts, and then use my spoon to scoop out the white gel inside. Aloe vera is a plant that grows in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. People appreciate it for its decorative uses and medicinal properties. Packed with more than 75 nutrients, including 20 minerals, 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins. Aloe vera for hair growth has several beauty boosting properties when used as a topical agent. The gel extracted from this wonder plant is rich in antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory, soothing, moisturizing, and protective benefits for hair. FYI, aloe vera gel has a pH level similar to that of your scalp and hair, making it safer to use than most commercially available hair care products. After getting off all the gel, I'll proceed to the next ingredient. Moving on, our next ingredient is apple cider vinegar with the mother. Apple cider vinegar balances hair and scalp pH by lowering the pH of your scalp. It flattens and closes the hair cuticles, which makes your hair smoother to detangle and less prone to breakage. ACV helps to prevent fungal and bacterial growth and helps the hair and scalp healthy. ACV also clarifies and exfoliates your scalp, removing dead skin as well as product buildup that blocks the pores on your scalp. So next, I'll transfer all the prepped ingredients into the blender and then blend into a very smooth paste. So for the blending, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to help with the blending process. Before using the apple cider vinegar, make sure you shake this properly just to combine the mother that usually settle at the bottom with the liquid. Each time you buy apple cider vinegar with the mother, look through the bottle. Just at the bottom, you will see tiny particles settling down in the bottle. Make sure to shake this properly to combine with the liquid. I'll be blending this off camera. So after blending, this is what I have. And I'll go ahead and then transfer this into a bowl, a clear glass bowl, so you all can see what I have. Have you ever tried avocado mask in your hair? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also share your recipe with me in the comments below. This looks so yummy and I'm totally loving this mask. So the next ingredient that I'll be adding to this mask is honey. Honey is a humectant and an emollient. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of that into the mask and then stir to combine all the ingredients. I'll also be adding some coconut oil to help with sleep. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the mask. The next oil that I'll be adding is olive oil. I'll also be doing 1 tablespoon of that. And lastly, castor oil. I'll equally be adding a tablespoon of castor oil to the mask. Once I'm done adding in all the oils, I'll go ahead and stir this to combine all the ingredients. This is an after shampoo treatment mask. You're to use this after shampooing your hair on clean hair. It can equally replace your deep conditioner. For those of us that may have run out of deep conditioners on some wash days, you can use this to replace your deep conditioner, and is super moisturizing. You will definitely love this. This treatment can be used once a week, twice a month, once a month, depending on your wash routine. But you can use this treatment on your wash days. Some of us love to wash our hair weekly. Some love to wash twice a month. Some love to wash once a month. It depends on the sensitivity of your scalp. I usually wash my hair twice a month, and that's every 2 weeks. Whichever routine you choose is fine, provided your scalp is clean and not itchy. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.